Hello everyone, today we have an indestructible 15,000 mAh battery monster Hotwav W10 smartphone at very reasonable prices here in review. After the launch of the affordable T5 Pro smartphone, Hotwav is gearing up for yet another rugged device, the Hotwav W10. It is going to be targeted at the affordable rugged smartphone market with its own uniqueness. So we can start slowly with unboxing. As you can see, we have one nicely designed black box with the red logo, in which is our W10. There is our phone on the top. Let's see what else is inside the box. Here we have 18 watts charger, a Type-C charging cable, same pin. There is USB-C to USB adapter in the box. What is the use of this cable, you can guess. So you can use your W10 as a power bank for other mobile phones or devices. And finally, of course, W10 user manual. Well, that was contents of this box, so let's move on the smartphone itself. The design style of the W10 is still on the tough side. The phone seems really solid and robust. The camera module and the fingerprint sensor are placed in a metallic shield. Compared with the other rugged module manufacturers, Hotwav brand is quite good and surprise us with their good value budget rugged phones every now and then. You don't need to spend too much money on these guys. I recommend you buy these phones for everyone who wants to have a phone particularly used for outdoor use in the damaging environments or on long trips. This phone can last for days and days on a single charge. With enormous 15,000 mAh battery, the W10 can provide you 28 hours of uninterrupted video playtime. According to the official W10 standby time can reach 1200 hours, which is 15 days. In the field, you no longer have to be afraid of losing contact with your family and friends because the phone is out of power. Don't worry about charging, just leave it charging overnight while you go to sleep. The battery also supports 18 watts wireless charging and reverse charging. Remember the USB-C to USB adapter cable in the box? Do you guess what is used for? If I combine it with the Type-C charging cable, you will know the answer. RC to C cable, because the V10 supports reverse charging. You can use it to charge your other devices. It doesn't charge fast, but only as your emergency power. It should be enough. It is IP68 and even IP69K and therefore is completely dust and proof for all, full water resistant protection against immersion of water, able to overcome shocks, vibrations and thermal changes as well as falls, according to the military test MIL-STD 810G. This hard rubber shield of W10 also offers you good resistance to drops and falls. It is perfect companion or vacation of your family, children, friends, especially near the open sea and the swimming pools. It also comes with a camera option that allows you to record underwater. This phone is already fulfilled requirement for use under harsh conditions. The grip of this phone is also not bad, since the rubber shield isn't bumpy a lot, and the back cover also helps increase friction to prevent the phone from slipping out of your hand. Let's take a look at the slots and buttons on the phone. The SIM card slot we find here above, it is protected by a rubber seal. It also supports up to 512 GB of micro SD card for storage expansion. On the opposite side we have rubber volume buttons, below them it is a power button. On the button we have USB Type-C port protected by a rubber seal, and on the top of the phone there is what we all like to see, a 3.5mm headphone jack, also covered with a rubber cover. The phone will come with a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a 1600 by 720 pixel resolution with a water drop style notch for housing the 5-megapixel selfie camera with the face unlock function. As far as the screen brightness goes, I had zero issues with the outdoor visibility on bright sunny days. The display is bright and reliable in all situations. Also, there are quite a few display settings options available. There include adaptive brightness, color tone adjustment, night light and economic backlight settings. In this price range, it has no competition. In terms of cameras, at the back the smartphone has a 30-megapixel dual camera setup and a dual flash that we find in a metal shield under which there is also a fingerprint sensor. For its camera performance, you can check these pictures and sample videos we made with our W10 model. So let's take a look at them now. The W10 is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 4-core chipset at 12 nanometers, support by 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, expandable via microSD cards up to 520GB. Fluency software for daily use is provided with the latest Android 12 OS, so you will be able to be satisfied with your daily speed of this smartphone. While the lowest graphics PUBG can run in lags more, so it is not very suitable for those who have gaming needs. Therefore, I recommend only less demanding graphic games because they work smoothly and fluidly without any problems. As I was said, the screen is quite nice and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The side bezels are reasonably in size for this type of phone. Overall, on this screen there is just enough space for browsing websites, playing light video games or catching up on YouTube videos. The budget model actually runs on the latest pure Android 12 operating system, which you can have all of the latest Android features. In fact, the original Android 12 system on this phone is even better than most mainstream brands' customized assistants. On the W10 you can have absolute all the basic services powered by Google, which means that it could be work well worldwide as usual. The phone also has a pre-installed tool bag for outdoor activities or work, including a compass, sound meter, gradient, and so on. In addition, the phone also supports FM radio function. To start listening to radio stations, you need only to plug headphones as antenna. It features 4 satellite navigation systems: GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo. Although the W10 doesn't exactly have high performance, we are still pretty satisfied with what such a budget phone brings. I must emphasize that the key characteristic of this smartphone it is low price and massive battery that lasts 4 days. Its 15,000 mAh battery may not be the biggest battery in the world, but is enough to beat 99% of the other phones. Because its processor is so power efficient, there is no way we can drain this huge battery for days. As I already said, W10 standby time can reach 1200 hours, which is amazing 50 days. On the field or on a trip, you no longer have to be afraid of losing contact with friends and family anymore, because the phone is out of power. This phone can last up for 74 hours on call time. hours and hours of conversation are guaranteed with this powerful rugged phone, as if we can create it for people who love to travel. Now is a chance to buy this smartphone at an extremely affordable price. The official sales links are below this video, don't forget to click on them, hurry up and get your new Hotwav W10 50,000 mAh battery monster phone today. That will be all for now, see you soon with a new video, bye.